Shopping for wiper blade refills? Sure, refills make sense in theory. Why buy a whole product brand new when you could just replace part of it? Here's why. Because you'll spend hours shopping around, finding a one-size-fits-all solution, jamming them into place with fancy tools, praying that a close enough fit will do, only to see the metal frame wear out, rust, and corrode later. The thing is, you'll only realize that your windscreen has been compromised when you find yourself caught in a storm in the middle of the night, unable to see a thing as the unrelenting rain pelts against your windscreen. It's only as you squint through the glass as your refills slug away, praying for clear vision on the road ahead, that you'll wish you'd upgraded to Wipertech wiper blades sooner. Sleek, aerodynamic blades that are guaranteed to fit your car perfectly, can be replaced simply, protect against corrosion, and give you crystal clear vision whatever the weather. Most people learn about refills the hard way, not you. You know that when you upgrade to high-performance Wipertech wipers, you're purchasing the best blades money can buy, giving you crystal clear vision and the peace of mind of a 12-month warranty. So, make a winning purchase the first time. Go to wipertech.co.nz to find premium blades for your car.